Once that blue check mark on Spotify without waiting weeks. In this year, if you're using DistroKid, you have a direct bridge to Spotify for Artists. You don't need to send in screenshots or social media links for manual verification. Today, I'm showing you the goodies method to claim your profile and start pitching to playlists instantly. Right, and first thing is you just log in into your DistroKid dashboard and look at the top menu and click on the goodies wrench icon. So you can also click on here, and as you can see, we have the goodies right here. This is where you want to go. Then select Special Access. It's going to be this tab right here. You should be able to see it. And then click Spotify for Artists and the setup. You'll be redirected to a dedicated DistroKid Spotify bridge page. Choose the artist name you want to claim and click the big screen and click the big green Get Access button. And this sends a encrypted signal to Spotify that you are indeed the owner of that music. And now you just need to link your listener account. Spotify will ask you to log in with your personal/listener account and then confirm the permissions. So because you came from DistroKid, Spotify won't ask for a website or Twitter handle. They already know it's you. If you have multiple artists on your account, you'll need to do this for each one. Once finished, you'll see the Spotify for Artists dashboard immediately. Then just hit save and you're ready to upload your bio and Canvas videos. And you are now officially a verified artist. If this guide helped you out, subscribe and like the video.